VTS is standard phrases acquiring and providing routine traffic data. What is the name of your vessel and call sign identification?
The name of my vessel is MSC Manzanillo, sir. Call sign Charlie Quebec Mike Echo. Identification 9289960.
Spell the name of your vessel.
This is MSC Mike Alpha November Zebra Alpha November India Lima Lima Oscar.
What is your flag state?
My flag state is Panama, sir.
What is your position?
My position is 36 degrees north, 48 minutes, 00 degrees west, 51 minutes, sir.
What is your present course and speed?
My present course is 253 degrees and my current speed is 12.7 knots, sir.
From what direction are you approaching?
I am approaching from east, sir.
What is your port of destination?
My port of destination is Antwerp, sir.
What was your last port of call?
My last port of call is Antwerp, sir.
What is your ETA in position?
My ETA is 10 o'clock UTC, sir.
What is your ETD from Antwerp?
My ETD from Antwerp is 7 o'clock UTC, sir.
What is your draft forward aft?
My draft forward is 9.4 meters, sir. Aft is 9.8 meters, sir.
What is your present maximum draft?
My present maximum draft is 9.8 meters, sir.
What is your freeboard?
My freeboard is 6.3 meters, sir.
What is your air draft?
My air draft is 35.5 meters, sir.
Are you underway?
Yes, I am underway. No, I am not underway. I am ready to get underway.
What is your full speed? Full maneuvering speed?
My full speed and full maneuvering speed is 70 knots.
What is your cargo?
My cargo is general cargo and container, sir.
Do you carry any dangerous goods?
Yes, I carry the following dangerous goods. 345 kilograms IMO class 8 and 9. No, I do not carry any dangerous goods.
Do you have any deficiencies, restrictions?
No, I have no deficiencies, restrictions. Yes, I have the following deficiencies and restrictions. I am constrained by draft. The maximum permitted draft is 12.3 meters.
Do you have any list?
Yes, I have a list to port starboard of 3 degrees. No, I have no list.
Are you on even keel?
Yes, I am on even keel. No, I am trimmed by the head astern, sir.